Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing two unboxings today. We're going to be unboxing the ever so late Ricky's Cult Crushes, and we're going to be doing a Lippiebox unboxing. To give you guys a quick update, I have unsubscribed to one of these boxes. I will get more into detail later on in this video, but let's go ahead and start getting into the Ricky's Cult Crushes. If you guys didn't know, Ricky's Cult Crushes was $11, but as of June, they will be raising their price to $14. I'm expecting that if they're raising $3, they should be, you know, bringing more of a bang for our buck, I guess. I was informed that, ooh, it's hot. I was informed that I am missing one product this month, but they will be shipping it out to me, so I'm happy about that. I'm not, you know, like, I'm not being a negative Nancy about it, even though I kind of want to be. It's really hot, sorry you guys. The item that they replaced it with was with the makeup remover wipes from Cotamines, something like that. I think I got this in my first Ricky's Cult Crushes, which was in October, so I really like these, so I'm okay with it. Next item that I have here is a Pure Pawpaw ointment in watermelon. Next item I have is it smells really good. It's the Launderless Wash and Stain Bar, vegetable soap, borax, and essential oils. They did send us an email telling us not to use this for our face brushes because it has borax, and they say borax is not good for the skin. I'm sorry you guys, I'm back. I have camera charging issues. But I just got done showing you guys the Launderless Wash and Stain Bar, and like I said, this has borax in it, so you don't want to use this to wash your brushes. You don't want to use this on your face, just to wash off makeup from your clothes, and if you get stains on your clothes, and just like spot checks. Ooh, it's too hot up in here. Okay, moving on, we also got a brush set. It's a Trio Sculpt and Blend Mini from BH Cosmetics. I do highly like BH Cosmetics brushes. I feel like they are really good quality. I have tons of them. I believe I have like 2 or 3 sets. I know. I'm a brush freak. They're actually really cute, and they're small. These are very travel friendly. I like the finish on them. This one has a little extra long hair, but it came off already. They are pretty soft and they look very decent, so I like this. This is good for me. Last but not least, I did get a Aura Glow liquid highlighter from J-Cat Beauty. And I got it in the color that I wanted, like the color that I actually really wanted, which is, I doubt, White Goddess. I am like so happy. Let's see if I can get this out. Ooh, the applicator on this is so weird. It won't come out. Oh my god, did this leak? There's like product all over. Oh no. It looks like it leaked a little bit. I do like the color a lot, but as you guys can tell, it has leaked through. It's not really tightly like closed. If you guys can see, look, it's not even like closed all the way. I don't know how to feel about this. I'm probably going to have to email them and ask them. I'm not sure. I'm on the fence. I probably still will use it, but I'm wondering why there's like a highlighter all over my hands now, why it was like this. I will be emailing Ricky's about that. What did I think about this box so far? I liked it. I liked it this month. The only thing that threw me off was that it came late and that my favorite highlighter looks like it has been opened or it leaked. I don't know. But those were my thoughts. I'm hoping I get my Bioderma micellar water in the mail soon. That was my missing product. And let's go ahead and check out Lippiebox. As you guys know, Lippiebox is a monthly subscription. I did pay for a 3-month plan, and sadly I haven't even let the plan finish. I have already canceled, and it's already my 2nd month. Before I get into this, I just feel like there wasn't a wow factor for me with this box. I noticed that it was more directed to like younger teens, tweens, and I want more of the glitz and glam, vampy colors, liquid lipsticks, and this just wasn't like giving it to me. Ooh, it's super hot in here. We did get a pop socket. We got a lip balm. We got a little mini lip gloss, and it stated that this was like full size. We also got another lip gloss. Let me tell you, these lip glosses are really pretty. They are very high shine. I will swatch one for you. They are very, very high shine, but like I said, I wasn't like super crazy about this box. We also did get a coffee scrub, like a coffee body and face scrub, I guess this is. Let me see if it picks up. That's as good as it's gonna get. I wasn't super impressed. I went ahead and canceled because I have to cut down on my boxes. And I'm sad, but I had to let Lippiebox go. Hopefully I will resubscribe soon if they, you know, start pulling out more cool products. But for now, I'm going to take a break from them. And to end this video, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. It's super hot in here. I'm going to cut it short, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.